Reach for the sky, bullseye. Ride like the wind, bullseye. Welcome, sneakerheads, nerds, and soul collectors. I am here to do an unboxing this week of something special I found in the downtown Disney area. Or if you're in the Orlando area, they call it Disney Springs. That's the new revamped, more adult area of Disney. They have a bunch of high-end shops, whether they're shoes, whether they're clothing, it's designer, whatever. It's out there in Disney Springs in Orlando. So we stopped by one of these shops on our way out and couldn't believe that this was actually there. So let's check it out. As you can tell, it's from Disney. Right here, that's right. That's the pizza box from the one and only Pizza Planet. Pizza Planet. Now delivering your pizza. So they had this special collaboration. It was Disney, Pixar, and Stance socks. And they came with, I believe there were 3 different pairs of socks, all with their own unique personality. And let's see what it looks like. First off, this box is awesome. Who doesn't want to get a Pizza Planet box? That is sweet. And here we go. Oh, cool. All right, so it is 3 different pairs of socks. First off, we have Woody. Ride like the wind, bullseye. We have Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond. And we have the Pizza Planet socks. It kind of looks like there's a silhouette on there. I don't know if the camera's focusing or not, but I believe these glow in the dark. Yeah. What are the aliens saying? The claw. That's it. The claw. And it came with these special edition pins that only came with this box set. Thank you all again for coming to watch this unboxing of the Pizza Planet Stance Toy Story collection. If you're in the downtown Disney area, go check it out. I believe they were on sale for like 20% off. They are unique socks. They're different. I don't know if I'll be wearing them every day, but they're a conversation starter. Maybe I'll wear them to work underneath my uniform. Who knows? But again, thanks for coming to check out this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you back here for our next video. Thanks!